Good noodles.
Hey guys, it's Vera Sweeney from Lady in the Blog, and I'm cooking dinner, and I just thought to myself I might as well just show you how and what I am making tonight, because it is such an easy meal and it is also super healthy, and that is what life is all about. So I'm a big frozen vegetable kind of girl. I don't really like buying regular normal vegetables because I'm somebody that makes them all go bad. I cannot buy houseplants and I cannot buy fresh vegetables, and I know this about myself, so I just accept it. So I go with frozen vegetables. They are flash frozen. They are just as good as fresh vegetables. Please do not judge frozen vegetables. They have done nothing to you. Wesley Farms is like from BJ's. I don't even know how much this bag was, but it's 4 pounds of broccoli goodness, and I could probably make like 4 different meals out of this. The price is right, and it is just so easy to make. So I have frozen broccoli. I have frozen shrimp, also from BJ's. These have the tails on, and they are peeled and deveined. I don't like peeling and deveining shrimp, so I will pay the extra money to have the work done for me, but this is also from BJ's. So this is one shop where I just have 2 frozen products in my freezer. I have a pound of angel hair pasta. I have fresh tomatoes. We do go through tomatoes. I have 2 cucumbers because they're both going bad, and I just have to get rid of them because they're gonna go in the garbage soon if I don't. They're getting pretty soft. And then I have what's left of a red onion. Now normally I wouldn't use a red onion, I would use one of those oversized large onions, but I don't have one on hand, and a red onion will do. So that's all I need to start my meal for tonight. So this is pretty much all I need for tonight's dinner. I'm gonna do a little tomato and cucumber salad to begin with. I have a raw onion, broccoli, shrimp, Barilla pasta, and obviously some olive oil, salt, and pepper. And let's get started. I'm chopping some onions.
I'm salting the pasta water.
And Natalie is salting the pasta.
Water.
Pasta water.
Water?
Water. So there's my onions. I'm gonna make them a little bit tinier because my kids are annoying.
Yeah, we don't like onions.
You pretend they're not in there, right? All right, so while that is going in the background, here I could show it to you. Just give you a look what's going on over here. We're gonna just saute the onions a little bit. The water is just about to boil. I'm going to put the broccoli in first. Not the whole bag, because like I said, this is ginormous. So I'm just gonna make a little tiny slit, put as much broccoli as I want in. The truth is, if I had garlic, I would also put the garlic in, but I don't have garlic, and that should not deter you from making a really fantastic meal. All right, so we have our broccoli that I'm literally gonna have to cut up into smaller pieces once it softens from frozen. And it looks like our water is boiling, so I'm just gonna take the top and put it on here to help the frozen vegetables go more smoothly. Now Natalie has already salted the water, and she's eating our pasta.
I always struggle with this part. Get it everywhere. I didn't get it everywhere.
You did not get it everywhere. Well, almost. So we're just gonna throw everything in. Use this.
How do you want me to cut it, Mom?
Just how you eat them normally. There we go. So that's cooking. That's sort of cleaning, defrosting the broccoli, and now we're going to get our shrimp.
That's why I filmed it. Or it was struggling to open a bag.
All right, so I'm gonna sort of move the broccoli over to one side for now. throw my shrimp in the same.
This is another big bag.
Same pan. We're gonna cover it just for a few minutes, let it soften, and then we'll just keep tossing it with the olive oil. I'm gonna add a little bit more olive oil, and I might even add some tomato sauce. We're gonna get crazy.
Okay, so the reason that I salted the water is so it gives the pasta more flavor, and if you don't salt the water, it's just not as good.
So this is pretty al dente. Strain. Pasta facial. Put it back for now.
We added
rails, but we have to add some more. Yeah. 2 cans of diced tomatoes. Plop it in. And then we have to season everything.
I would say survive.
Yeah, I would say survive.
I wouldn't.
Okay. So we're gonna swash this all together, and then we're gonna let it really cook. It needs to cook. But first, let's put some seasoning. This one, Trader Joe's, is just a little bit of everything. It's one of my favorite seasoning mixtures. I'll mix that in a bit.
It's really good.
It's just easy.
110% recommend.
And then salt and pepper. Natalie, stop eating the cucumbers. Which again, we're gonna have to mix this.
And pepper. Take a look inside of our. Where's the pepper?
So now we're just gonna let everything cook down, probably for like 10 minutes, stirring it occasionally. And then once everything is done, we're just gonna mix it together and serve.
This is what it looks like when it's all done. It is cooked in the pan for a few minutes. Now to finish up the dish, all you have to do is mix your pasta and your sauce and vegetables and shrimp together, and it'll make a really good meal.
Oof. Uh-oh.
What? Mom, what are you doing with all that cheese? How do I open it? Ooh. This is the short way. I want the quick way. Yeah, there's one that completely takes everything out. Look.
Don't do it.
Damn, look. That's the long way. This is the short. What if you do both of them at the same time? Yeah, that's Natalie.
This is what you sound like. Good noodles. Don't choke. Stop.